Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make adjustments to your nav bar, and I'll show you what that means in a sec. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to your dashboard and then locate the file you want to work on, and then you're going to click Design, and then from Design, as you can see we're in our Design tab here because that's highlighted. You're going to go to Presentation. Now, just before I do that, I want to draw your attention to the elements on the screen that we're going to be adjusting. So as you can see here, we have a few buttons like Share, Download, Home, First Page, Page Click Through here, some information about it, a spot for About, whether or not you can follow this booklet. So there's just a few bits and bobs around the navigation. These are the elements that we're going to be adjusting, either what is shown, but mostly where the location is. So let me show you how to do that. So we go to Presentation, and then you go to Navbar Layout, and then click on this pencil here. So right now I'm in Essentials, but if you just watch the corner here, you can see everything move around. So that's Modern, so that brings your icons up to the top, a few on the bottom here, but they're smaller. And then you've got Minimalist, which it's blocking in a little bit over here, and then Header. So basically these are your options, or you could also do blank. These are the options about where you can have your elements, and then you can also choose between your colors as well. So right now I'm working with a document that has a butter yellow. And maybe I decide black's a little harsh. Maybe we can go ahead and do gray for that instead. And maybe I want this to be, I don't know, let's do a little bit of an orange, mostly so you can see what I'm talking about here. Just the color. I'll do this one more red so you get an idea, right? And then the next important bit is the opacity. So if you are just looking in the corner here, you can see right now I have opacity of 0. And if I go to opacity of 100, that color is right up there along with the gray, and same down here. So I'm just going to get out of this just so you can check what I've done. So there you go. So this is the header, that color is orange, and then the footer, that color was red with the gray text as well. Obviously this isn't very legible, so let's go ahead and make some adjustments, but that is how you do it. And then the other thing is you can choose between some fonts here, Product Sans or Roberto. These are all nice fonts. Let's do typewriter actually. And so those are the choices that you have. I would encourage you just to flick in and out and see what makes sense for your document. Let's go back to Essentials here. And there you go. That's how you adjust your layout, your navbar layout. Thanks very much. So once that's done, we're actually going to go to Share, and you're just going to copy that link, and I'll open this up in a new tab so you can see. So there is my little sunflower there. So that is how you do your logo in the browser tab. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to delete that. And now we're going to do the background. So the background will be the desktop of your Simplebooklet. So I'll go back to my big logo and I will show you what that looks like in preview. There it is. So as you flip through the document, your logo is right there. And those are your options. You have quite a few options to choose between for your document, and those are the different ways you can upload them. Okay, thanks very much.